likes poetry, she likes fiction. T.S. Eliot in the kitchen, she likes it devastating. She likes it rugged, she likes it timeless. Billie Holiday, the dough is rising. She likes to hear you singing. She likes it when you don't know she's listening. Manitoba Thunderstorm coming through her open door. Manitoba Thunderstorm, like the day she was born. She likes it painted red, like her fingernails. She likes the gossip, she likes the details. She's going back to the Atlantic. She likes it gigantic. Manitoba Thunderstorm coming through her open door. Manitoba Thunderstorm, like the day she was born. She took a float plane up to the north. She drank the water right from the source. She took the name that she got from Louise. She brought it to the banks of the sacred Ganges. She brought pearls and pieces of jade. She never collected the money she made. Manitoba Thunderstorm coming through her open door. Manitoba Thunderstorm, like the day she was born. Manitoba Thunderstorm, like the day she was born.
Yo,
That was so nice.
that was a beauty one.
Wow, what a nice time we're having.
That was my personal best. That was, wasn't it nice?
That was nice. Yeah, it was just really nice.
It's very, very nice.